In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add apps to favorites on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, favorites apps on an iPhone can usually mean various different things depending on where you want to add the applications. First, if you want to add your applications to the home screen because you access them often or to somewhere like the dock, then this is going to be as simple as tapping and holding on a specific application or anywhere empty on the home screen. By tapping and holding, all the apps will get this icon at the top left that allows you to remove them from the home screen, and most importantly, you are now able to tap and hold on a specific one and slowly drag it into position. And of course, you can drag and drop the app into the dock here, which means that it will be easily accessible. You can have a maximum of 4 apps at once, including folders, and once it is full, you will have to remove one before adding another. And if you prefer, you can also add the apps to the home screen itself, so not necessarily the dock, but the home screen. Now, assuming that you want to use the favorites within Safari or another web browser, then what you have to do is open Safari, visit a specific website, and then tap the share button that you see here on the middle of the screen. So tap on share on a specific website. Now, one of the options is going to be add to favorites. So when you tap this option, it is going to be highlighted with ease, and it is going to be among your favorite websites and most used. Now, of course, this is going to be a website being favorited. However, it is still a viable option. So when you tap on the bookmarks icon or the favorites icon, you will be able to browse through all of your favorites. You can remove them as needed or add new folders, apps, and websites. And as long as you do this through the home screen or Safari or other web browsers, you can access your apps with ease. I hope I was able to help you on how to add apps to favorites on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.